Hello guys, welcome to your own channel Study Time eGYan. Today we will learn percentage part 5. If you have not seen the previous video, please go and watch those videos first. So let's start. See, the first question is on your screen. Read the question carefully and try to solve by yourself. Pause the video for a while, take paper and pen, try to solve by yourself. And see that what is the difference in your way of solving, your way of thinking and my thinking, how I am solving. When you compare this thing, then you will learn better. Okay, look guys, how to solve. Here the question states that a student multiply a number by 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. It means that a student has to multiply a number by 5 by 3, but he mistakenly multiplied those number by 3 by 5. So this is supposed to be right one and this is wrong. Okay, so it is asking what is the percentage error. Okay, whenever you get this type of question, then do one thing. You write 5 by 3, this is supposed to be multiplied, okay, but he mistakenly multiplied by this number. So what is that number? We do not know. So when we do not know the number, we will just take LCM of this number which is in the base. Like here the base is 3 and here the base is 5. So just take LCM of 3 and 5. When you take LCM of 3 and 5, we get 15. Okay, so here multiply this number with 15, here with 15. So we get 25, here we get 9. So look guys, he was supposed to get 25, but mistakenly he got 9. So what is the percentage error? The percentage error will be the different is 16 on what? 25. If you want to take percentage, we have to multiply by 100. Okay, so if you multiply, you will get 64. So 64 will be your right answer, means fourth option. I hope this is very clear now. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, this is almost ditto question, same question. Now I want you to do in the same fashion. Read the question properly and try to attempt. Here it is saying that a student multiply a number by 3 by 10 instead of 10 by 3. He was supposed to multiply by 10 by 3, but he mistakenly multiplied by 3 by 10. So I told you, always take LCM of the base 3 and 10. If you take LCM, you will get 30. So multiply this number with 30. It means that your number was 30. Okay, so if you cut, you get 100. If you cut here, you get 9. It means that you are supposed to get 100, but you mistakenly got 9. So what is the percentage error? The difference is 91 by 100 into 100. So it is clearly 91%. Means option 4 is the right answer. I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, please do comment. Okay, let me move ahead. Read the question. A man divide a number by 6 instead of multiplying it by 6. Look guys, here it states that a number was supposed to be multiplied by 6, but mistakenly it got divided by 6. This is right one and this is wrong one. Okay, so just take LCM of 6 and 6. When you take LCM of 6 and 6, you get 6. Okay, so this is right one, this is wrong one. You are supposed to multiply the number by 6, but you end up with dividing the number. So when you divide, you get 1, but when you multiply, you get 36. So this is supposed to be the right answer, but you got this answer. So it is asking percentage error. So what is the difference? See, difference is how much? Tell me. Here you get 35 difference by 36 into 100. So if you simplify, you will get means 35. You tell me what is the multiplication of 35 into 25? It will come around 875 by 9. So if you further divide it, you will get 97 2 by 9%. Okay, means your 97, yeah, third option. Now hope this type of question is clear to you. So can we move ahead? Okay, read the question. Here in the question, two people are there. Okay, one is Nitya and one is Papya, and it is stating that Nitya's salary is 25% more than Papya. Okay, look guys, what is the meaning of 25%? Can you write 25% as 1 by 4? Right, this is Nitya, Nita, and this is Papya. Okay, this is Papya. It is saying that Nitya salary is 25% more than Papya. We know that the number which is in the base is always original number. So if Papya salary is 4, Nitya's salary will be 5. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Okay. Now it is stating that by what percent Papya salary is less. This Papya salary is less by Nitya by how much percent? Here you can see the difference is 1. Okay, 1 on what? On 5 into 100. So you get 20%. Means Papya salary is less than Nitya by 20%. This is method 1. Now what is method 2? Method 2 is very simple. We know that this is Nitya and this is Papya. Okay, if Papya salary is 100, then Nitya salary is 25% more than Papya, means 125. Then we have to find this Papya salary is by what percent less than Nitya. So here the difference is 25. Okay, 25 less. Okay, Papya is 25 less on what? On 125. So 25 by 125. This negative means less. Okay, by 100. So if you cut 5 times, means 1 by 5 is again 20%. So Papya salary is less than Nitya by 20%. I want to tell you one more method. Method number 3. This is Nitya, this is Nita, and this is Papya. Okay, now Nita salary is 25% more. 25%, we know that it is 1 by 4. Then Papya salary is less by how much? This is less. So here I have already told you this type of method, that the upper number will remain as it is, and in the lower number, if there is a plus sign, just add it. It is 1 by 5. Okay, and if you take percentage of 1 by 5, you get how much? 20%, and here is negative, so this, it means it is less. Okay, hope this is clear. So according to the data, you can apply any of the approach according to your convenience, but you should know all this approach. Okay, let's move ahead. Read the question carefully. X income is 20% more than Y. This is X income and this is Y income. X income is 20% more than Y. So what is 20% now? 20% is 1 by 5. So X income is 1 by 5 more than Y. then y is less than x by how much? This is plus, here less means minus, upper number will remain as it is. Since there is a plus sign, so you will add both the number 1 by 6. So we know that 1 by 6 in a fraction form is 16 2 by 3%. Since here is a minus sign, so we know that y is less by x, y salary is less than x by 16 2 by 3%. Okay, hope this is clear. So your option third. If you want to do with another method, what, how, tell me. We know that 20% is 1 by 5. This is x and this is y. We know that y is 5 and x is 20% more, means 5 plus 1 6. So by how much it is less? Y 1 on what? On 6. So again 1 by 6 into 100 means 16 2 by 3%. Okay, hope this is clear now. If A income is 40% less than that of B, by how much percent B income is more than that of A? Okay, look guys, here it is A and this is B. Okay, here it is saying that 40% less, means what is the fractional value of 40%? 40% is 2 by 5, and here it is less, means minus sign. So A is 40% less than B, means this is B. B is 5 and A is 40% less, means 5 minus 2 will be 3. Now we have to tell that this B income is more than A by how much? You can clearly see it is more by 2 on what? On 3. So 2 by 3 into 100. Tell me what you will get. Now tell me what is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 33, 1 by 3%. If you multiply by 2, you get 66 2 by 3%, which means that fourth option is the right answer. Okay, fine. Now we'll do with this the second method. This is one method. Now we'll do the second method. Okay, suppose this is A and this is B. It states that A income is 40% less than B. 40% less than B means 2 by 5. It is A is 2 by 5 less than B. Then B is more by how much percent? Here this is minus sign, so it will be, here it will be plus. Upper number will remain as it is, so hence there is a minus sign, so just subtract. It will be 3. So if you take fraction of 2 by 3, again you get 66 2 by 3%. So it means that B income is 66 2 by 3% more than A. Okay, fourth option. So can we move ahead? Tell me. I hope till now it is very clear to you, but still if you have any doubt, please do comment on my inbox. Okay, so with your permission I am moving ahead. Okay, here you see, if A income is 6 times more than B, then by what percent B is less than A? Okay, here 2%, one is A and one is B. If A is 6 times more, this statement is now very important. Here lot of people do mistake. See, 6 times B, 6 times more than A is 6 times more than B. Fine, A is 6 times more than B. Suppose if B is 1, if B is 1, okay, then A is 6 times more, means 6 times more, means A is 7. Fine, so it is saying that B is less than A by what percent? B is less than A It is clearly, you can see it is less by 6 on what? On 7. So what will be the percent? Tell me. Now what is 1 by 7? 1 by 7, we know that it is 14.2 by 7%. And if you multiply it by 6, you will get 85 5 by 7%, which means your second option is the right answer. 85 by 5 by 7. Okay, this how to do I have already told you. If you do not know, please see the previous video. Now see the second question. Here it is written A is 6 times of B, means this is A and this is B. If B is 1, A is 6. Here it did not denote more or greater. It just said that 6 times B, means if B is 1, A is 6. So please know the difference. Okay, there is a huge difference between this question. Here it is stating more and here it is saying that it is 6 times B. Simple. So in this case the difference is 5. So 5 on what? On 6 into 100. What you will get? Tell me. Here it will be 83 1 by 3%. Okay. If you do not know how to do, see the previous video, we will know it. Fine. So can we move ahead? Okay. Read the question. Two numbers are 30% and 37% lesser than the third number. By how much percent is the second number to be enhanced to make it equal to the first number? Okay. See, here it is written that there is 3 number. First number, second number and third number. Third number is not given, so I can assume third number to be 100. And it said that this first number, second number, first number is less than the third number by 30%, means if this first number is less than the third number by 30%, means it will be 70, and second number is less than the third number by 37%, means it will be 63. Okay, fine. Now it state that second number, okay, is to be enhanced to make it equal to the first number. Okay, this second number, if you want to make it equal to this first number, then what you have to do? By how much percent you have to enhance? Then you can see you have to increase by 7 on what? On 63. 7 on 63 into 100 means 7 9. Now what is 1 by 9? 1 by 9, we know that in a percentage form it is 11 1 by 9%, which also means 11.11%. Okay, is it clear to you? I hope this is very very clear. So can we move ahead? Okay, let's move ahead. Question number 9. Read the question carefully. This is almost the same with the previous question. Here it said that this is first number, this is second number and third number. We do not know the third number. First, second and third. So I can assume third number to be 100. So this first number is lesser than the third number by 90%, means if a number is less than 90%, then it will be 10 and second will be 25. So the first number to be increased so that it became equal to the second number. Now this number, by how much percent it will increase that it become 25? Here you can see you have to increase by 15. So 15 on what? On 10 into 100. So you have to increase by 150%. So it means that the first number you have to increase by 150%, 150% to make it equal to the second number. Okay, so your option third will be the right answer. Let's move ahead. What percent decrease in salary would exactly cancel out 20% increase. Okay, here it said that suppose my salary is 100 rupees. Okay, suppose a person's salary is 100 rupees and it got increased by 20%, means if it got increased by 20%, now it is 120. Now in the question it is said that this increase, you have to cancel out the increase so that it become again 100. It means that this increase you have to make it nil. So how much you will reduce? So clearly you can see that this is 120. Now if you want to make it 100, you have to reduce by 20. This reduce 20 on what? On this 120 to make it 100. So this 0 get cancelled, 1 by 6. Now what is 1 by 6? It means the 16 by 3%. Okay. Now we will do in the fraction method. So this is 20%. Okay, this is increase. So suppose my initial salary and this is new salary. My initial salary was 5 and my salary got increased by 1. It means 20% means 1. Okay, now it become 1. Now this I want to make it again same, so I have to reduce by 1. 1 on what? On 6 into 100, which means that 16 by 3%. I have to decrease by 16 by 3% so that it will cancel out 20% increase in the salary. Fine. Okay, we'll end this session here. We have done till question number 10. In the next session we will see the same type with different question, but the type will be same. It will be on the basic only. So okay, so if you have not liked the video yet, first like the video, share to your friends, do subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, so I'll meet you in the next session from question number 11. Till then, take care. Bye bye.